Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key market insights for today. We'll see what market is holding for us. All right, so here we start with S&P 500. Yesterday, right at this candle, this particular candle, this one, which is spinning candle at the 50 EMA, I clearly mentioned the candle is fake right in this area. This candle was trying to close red and clearly mentioned in the group that this is a fake candle. How did I know that this was a fake candle? So you need to see what the chart is telling you. Okay, first candle, this one, the body barely closed above 50 EMA. Second candle right here before the candle we marked as fake. So the candle was crossing the 50 EMA. This is called direct crossing. And we had a bullish confirmation, the candle crossing the 50 EMA. Suddenly there was one candle which is red closing below the 50 EMA again. That was the clear indication, along with the golden cross on the MACD, the first volume squeeze, and the next candle will be green. And on the top, we have the ultra high volume right here. Okay. And the volume was a bullish divergence from this candle to this candle. So this particular candle was a clear fake candle, and that's how you identify the candle, that what's going on, why suddenly there is a red candle. And here we go, the price continue. Yesterday we mentioned that the price will go to 647.98, and this is what we are looking at, 647.98, and we'll be looking for the short opportunity. We'll have the first lower high, something like this, okay, right in this area. So the price has more upside, and then we'll have a sell downside. So right now we are bullish. Okay, what's going on the wicks right here? So again, on the wicks, this particular candle, again, very similar setup. Okay, we have a more downside. This candle is fake. This is not the bottom candle. This is not the spinning candle. There will be more red candle before the bounce happens. We will look for an entry close to 1795. So sorry, 1695 area. Okay, so right now trading at 1710. Okay, look at this one, 1715, now 1710. Despite the spinning candle, the price is down. What will happen? It will have a liquidity sweep on the downside, 1695, and then the price will shoot up. We'll be taking the Wix long call again, which we booked the profit yesterday. We'll be taking the same call again at 1695. Okay, and the market will sell off at 647. Wix will bounce from 1695. So watch this. 647 recovery, and then the drop right in this area, 1695, a little bit more downside, and then bounce back. Okay. Moving forward to him, so we had the clear confirmation of this bull trend. Equal low breaks equal high. We are about to break this equal high right in this area. What will happen right here? At least at this point, which is 45.92, is a confirmation uptrend, confirm uptrend, and then we will decide whether there will be the equal high failure or retrace back into 43.96 between this Fibonacci and bounce. Overall, stock is bullish. There is a possibility of retracement. Very similar setup. We have a 50 EMA direct crossing. This candle has directly crossed, candle opening and closing above the 50 EMA. Stock is bullish. If there is one red candle moving forward here, that will be the fake candle. Okay, so the price will continue upside on him. So we are looking for 45.93, equal high of this one, and then we will decide what the setup comes at 45.93. Okay, overall bullish. Moving forward to Tesla. Okay, what we are looking at on Tesla, we have a little bit of retracement. This is your MMC going on here. This is wave A going on. This is wave B. You have an ellipse going on right now. So this is your ellipse right in this area like this. What will happen? You see this spinning candle right here. There will be another spinning candle at this point, anywhere from 341 to 340 area. As soon as you see this spinning candle coming here right away, you know that the market will sell off again. Okay, right here we are looking at a retracement of this much. So this from this, and this is where the price will come eventually. Okay, right at this candle right here. You see that how it matches automatically. So this is where the price will come, 320 area. There will be another spinning candle right at 341, 340.50 area, and then the price will decline once again. So from here, bullish, price will continue upside and then eventually fail in probably 1 or 2 days. Okay, moving forward to AI, this is the stock that we were looking at right in this area. When the price hit this wick, ultra high volume right in this area, we knew it from here, the price will recover right in this area. When we have the VDD alert right here, volume down divergence, we knew it that the market will go and retest the equal low. Okay, very similar setup we saw on the UNH, if you remember, when it went to 248 and then back again retest. So this was the very similar setup on the UNH as well before it take off. What's the stock is holding for us? We are almost at the bottom. Okay, it's good to buy here, but don't expect the quick dollar on this one. It will take few weeks because we have a new CEO in the company, and it will take few weeks before the new policies and new guidance and start coming in. So it will take, probably I will hold about 90 days this stock now. Okay, we have a short put, which is our red, but we are not losing anything because we are still close to break even. So it doesn't bother us at all. We will look for the shorting more put in this area at 14.32. Add the money put for June 2026 and January 2027 will be good enough. Okay, and then the price will bounce. Eventually, the stock will bounce to $22. Moving forward to NVIDIA, what we are looking at? We are looking on 4-hour time frame. Wave B, we have hit the bottom yesterday. It was at the support line yesterday. Post-market, I alerted the NVIDIA and Palantir both are sitting at the support line. So we'll see the bounce towards 175, 178. Right now, 70. So $7 to $8 bounce and then another sell-off. Bottom is 155.32 right in this area. Again, this will be the ellipse right in this area. Okay. So from here, 175, 176 area, back into 155 area, all in point 155.32. Till then, if you just stay away and watch for the drop to 155, it will be better. How did we know the price will drop right in this area on the earning? We did not trade this earning. Instead, we took the trade on the core view. Equal high 1, 2, 3 means there was a sell side liquidity and the price was failing to break above this. And look on the VP. Volume weighted average price, look here. There was no volume above 184, means that's why the price was coming again and again, and this was the distribution. If you look at back, you will have a clear idea what was going on here. Look here. This was your accumulation area right in this area. This was accumulated at the equal low, double bottom. So instead of price went from here, which people generally think, oh, there is a double bottom, let's buy. Bottom number 1 here. Let me point it to you. This is bottom number 1. Here, and this is bottom number 2. Okay, generally people rush into too early that, oh, bottom number 1, bottom number 2, less the price will go up and then hit this one. No, it will not hit. This is your accumulation, then this comes the manipulation down there. Okay, this is where you buy. This was your manipulation. Okay, and we had our entry right in this area. If you remember, $91 was our entry on NVIDIA. Okay, and then we took around exit around 143, and after that we have not traded. So this was the back holding of all the institution, and now this is your distribution area. The price will fall back below to this point, 155 area right in this area, and then we'll make upside towards 195 and 200. So wait for 155.32. There will be a little bit bounce. Don't get greedy into this bounce. This is just a recovery into wave B. Okay, moving forward to Amazon, what we are looking at. Yesterday we were looking at this one, the price bounce. Again, it's marking a lot of equal high right in this area and a downtrend channel. Okay, so what's forming in this one? If you pay close attention, this is a symmetrical triangle. Okay, so price will stay right within this trend for next couple of days. Okay, there is no major breakout either side. So price will have a rejection here, again come down, again go up. So this $5 to $7 plus minus in this area before the symmetrical triangle breakout. Once this breakout, then there will be a major move upside. Probably this is the move we are looking at, this kind of 211 to 234, which is about $20 breakout, around 10% once we break out of this triangle. BMNR, all right. Bitmine. So what we are looking at, we had this, we traded this one day before yesterday. We really caught this one 6 to 7% right away overnight. Okay, so another retracement. We are bullish on this one. We'll continue holding and buying more. Any drop is a gift here. What do we have? We have a demand. This one squeezing demand. Okay, it's getting shorter. This one. So what is happening? The supply. There is a possible one more supply, and then the bull trend will start and shoot to price number 1, which is 55. Price number 2, which is 60, and final price all-time high. Okay, but we will never hold for final price. Maximum we'll hold for this one, $60, and we are out of this trade. Okay, moving forward to bull. We traded these two candle right in this area from 298 to 298. So we have the equal high. It will give you the needed volume right in this area, and the price will shoot up. Okay, we are ready for recovery. This is a good buy. Okay, probably your retirement account, trading account, TFS account, whatever you have, accumulate this stock. It's good to buy here. Approximately, we are looking around the first exit around $18, second exit to top, we are looking around $32, but we'll continue trading this one no matter what. We are trading it for a long time. This is our regular trading stock now. Okay, so what we are looking at, buy and hold, accumulation area. Clean Spark. Do not buy the share because it's related to Bitcoin. What you can do, you can buy the long call, leap call only. There is a different stock. You trade them in a different way. Okay, you don't want to block the capital in CLSK. The only way is every time it closes to $9, which is $8.97 to $9, you buy the leap call and then hold. Okay, so this will be from $8.97 to $9.98 channel right in this area, support level 2. So from $8.97, which is $9 to $10. So just like $1 fluctuation right here, which is approximately 12%. Okay, so around 9 you buy the leap call, around 10 you exit the leap call. That's it. Moving forward to Chipotle Mexican, again very similar. This is the stock you want to buy the share. Same way like CLSK, you wanted to buy the leap call. Chipotle Mexican, you want to buy the share in this one. What is going on? We have this accumulation area, and right now we are in manipulation. This right here. This price should have come to this area. This is what I was expecting, like 42.60, and then bounce, continue towards 47, 48 area. This area you are looking at, this particular from sell off from here 43 to 41. This is the total manipulation. Okay, there is no reason for the price to go down. So where the price should be somewhere around 57 and 56 area, right? Equal high of this point. This is where we are looking first. First price target right here 49, and maximum this area. Where is the trend ending? Okay, let me go. All right, right in this area. This is where it's coming from. So right in this area, this is what we are looking. So 53, 54 area, this is the price we want to exit. The first price target is 49, then 54 area. After 54, we don't want to trade. Buy and hold position right in this area. Coin. Okay, moving forward to coin. Good to buy. What we are looking at? We are looking for the manipulation zone right in this area. Okay, you see the equal high, very similar, which just did on another stock. Equal low, double bottom. This is where the people get excited. Double bottom, and they buy and they have a failure. We are entering the manipulation. Any drop on coin you must buy, and this will shoot up. It will not give you the time to buy once the recovery starts. Okay, where is the liquidity sitting? Right in this area below this big spread candle right here. Mark this candle 295. Okay, this is around 295. Liquidity is sitting below 295.67. Any long wick you see a candle something like this below 295, right away grab the share and let it ride all the way to 400 area. Moving forward to Circle, we are still bearish on this one. There is a little bit more downside left. Okay, so our price target is around 110, still $8 more to go. I have been saying this bearish since this price target 243 something when I shorted this garbage. Okay, so 110, I'm a buyer. Till then I will just wait outside and watch. Core view, we have the share with the covered call, 100% protected share. Our call is in solid profit. Do not spread this covered call with the share. We have a long call on the top, further OTM, and we have an in the money covered call. Okay, continue holding. We want that in the money covered call to go expire 100% worthless and the share to recover. Okay, there is a little bit more downside left here. 85.26 was my price target to see the bottom, and we have the covered call for 85. Once the price hit 85.26, we'll close the covered call and double down our long call. Okay, OTM call we have 450 at 85.26. So we are just around $3.50 away. Just watch. We are about to hit the bottom on this one. Moving forward to Mara, we'll continue holding our position. All right in this area. This is what we were looking at when we were sitting at 1459. We were looking for 1663. We hit the price target yesterday. Now we are going for the retracement anywhere between 1556 to 1531, or possible this candle right in this area, ultra high volume right here, or this candle also, the opening of closing of this candle right here, 15.47. So roughly a retrace towards 15.47 and then upside. Okay, continue holding your trade. Moving forward to MSTR, any sell-off is a gift. Our first price target was 381, which we bought a little bit of small position into 381. Then second price target was 329.08. We bought it at 329.08. Now we are holding our position. No matter what happens to this world, we are holding this position. Okay, when this will take off, people will not be able to catch it. Okay, and that's why. So our buying is very much close to the bottom. Any further drop, we don't care. We'll hold our position on this one. Do not panic sell anything. If let's say from the 329.08 is our buying, and let's say the price dropped to 309, do not panic on this one. Hold. And if you cannot buy more, just hold your position. If you can buy more, you buy more downside. Okay. So 329.08 was roughly the bottom that we were looking at, and we have taken the position now. So we all have MSTR. If you're not in MSTR, this is the time to buy and hold your position. Okay, short the put for 250 for June 2026. Buy the share, buy the long call, do something, but do. Okay, don't sit on this one. This is the time to buy. Rivian, all right, right here we took the entry at 1134, right in this area. 1131 was our entry on Rivian. Okay, 1131, 10,000 share, 1130 entire trade. Okay, this is what I was looking at. So 1131, 10,000 share, this is what I added, and we were looking at 14.51. It was clearly mentioned both price target right in this area. Rivian 1451 was the key point to watch. So once we reached yesterday, we took the exit at 15.01. We got the nice catch right in this area. Why did we exit? That's the question here. Stock is bullish because above 14.51, we are in a next bracket, which is from 14 to 17 area. Why did we take the exit? Look at this ultra high volume candle right in this area. Mark this candle, the top. Mark the closing of this candle right in this area, 1436. So this is what we were looking at. And this is what we were looking at for the price to retrace. This is where the price retracement was guaranteed. Okay, even if the alien comes from the another galaxy, they cannot change this fact. The price will retrace to the closing of this candle. There is no exception to this. And very next candle, price retrace half of this candle. Anything above this point, 1438, we wanted to book the profit, and then we saw the another wick right in this area above this candle, 1488, above this. This is where we took the exit. Not many people in the world can do that. This is where our exit was, right at this wick above the black line. Okay, then the retracement. Now what we are looking at, we are out of the position on Rivian. We are looking for 13.31, a retracement right in this area, which is a 50 EMA and the bottom of the linear regression. Okay. Worst case, it can go to 1287. If it dropped to 1287, do not panic that why it's going down. Put everything on the line and buy if you get 1287. Okay, when the price is high, you want the price to go down, but when the price is down, then people start panicking. Okay, if you see 1330 and 1287, buy as much as possible and keep buying. Okay, moving forward, SMCI, we are sitting at the bottom. Okay, right in this area. Again, another stock, good to buy and hold. Okay, short the put, buy the share, hold your position. Okay, it will take few weeks and the stock will bounce. This is not the months of holding like bull and AI. We might have to hold for 2 to 3 months. The SMCI we have to hold maybe maximum 2 to 3 weeks. That's it, and you will see the big bounce on this one. So buy and hold, short the put. Okay, moving forward to Algorand, 23 retracement of this point. Right now we are sitting at the 2275 retracement, so there is a little bit more downside. Maximum it can go to 2275, and then we'll see the wave 3 bounce. We have a rejection right here. We did not break the 50 EMA this time. The next time when we have a spinning candle, once the price start now, we will definitely break this and head straight into 2519. Okay, at the point of control line, this high. So this time we'll break the 50 EMA. Not right now. 4-hour candle, we are looking for another, let's say, probably midnight today. Approximately, that's when we break the 50 EMA. So most likely tomorrow we should be breaking out this line. Okay, so 4-hour multiply, like let's say 3 to 4 candle of 4 hour. Next 16 to 20 hours, we should be looking for the breakout of 50 EMA on this one. ADA Cardona, we bought it at 0.78. That's what we were looking at. So we are holding for 140 yen. No matter any pullback, anything happens, keep holding your position for 141. Algorand, you are holding for 0.55. Right now we are trading at 23. Do not exit your trade before 55. The crypto will go parabolic once the interest rate is cut and all season. The money will pump in this one. Okay. Moving forward to Bitcoin, what we are looking at. A lot of people yesterday, one of our group member took the profit yesterday right in this area, and suddenly there is a remark, oh, why is going down? There is nothing going on. It's a retracement of this wave 1 right in this area. If I give you that, the price started right here. We call the bottom at 109. This is just a retracement of Fibonacci like this. This is what you are looking at. 117 is imminent. Imminent. Nobody can stop it. Okay. This is how the market works. So this is just a retracement. 50 EMA, you have the price spinning candle, and you will see the price recovery soon. Okay. Worst case, you are looking at 109, 293.70. This is the maximum you can look for. fake out, and then continue upside. So there is a possible fake out. That's it. There is nothing. So stock, the Bitcoin is bullish. Same thing goes to Solana. What are we looking at? Solana and Bitcoin are trading in two different zones. Solana is in wave B and Bitcoin is in wave 2. Okay, Solana, we are waiting for buy around 180 area. We have been waiting for this one, 180 to 180 area. So this is where we are looking to buy Solana. We are waiting on this one. We don't have a position. We took the exit at 213.58 something, right in this area. This is where our exit was on this particular candle, right in this area. After that, we have not traded. We missed the entry right here, 194, because we were waiting for 180. So the price did not come to 180. We are okay. We missed this trend upside. We have a lower high point right in this area. If the market is marking a lower high, means the price will drop. Again, you see that what's going on here? This trend, I'm waiting for this trend to break. Okay, so the price most likely 201, again a little bit of bounce, but once we break this 201 and retest, definitely the price is going to 180. Okay, and any comment, anything right in this area? Group chat, let's look at if someone has any ticker symbol to cover. All good. 3rd September line. Okay, all good. That's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see the Discord member in the Discord. Thanks. Bye.